Vidyo is primarily a enterprise focused company, although because we have a very well developed what we call Vidyo Works, and there are toolkits, and in video jargon we have an API toolkit, which is a higher level toolkit that is the basic product but very customizable. So you can use the APIs to pretty much integrate the video platform into any other platform. We also have what we call what Vidyo calls our SDK, which is a lower level toolkit that allows a customer or client or a company to build its own video product, if you will. That is generally what we use for customers who are interested in OEMing the video technology and deeply embedded into another platform. And that is what Google uses, Nintendo uses, Ricoh uses, Hitachi uses, ShoreTel, Mitel, Fusebox, Teleris. We have about a dozen OEM relationships. Google is obviously the most visible of those. Google Chat, Google Hangout is built on the video technology, and but Google has dramatically changed the way it works because they're paying for it. So they've made it standard definition only. Because they're paying for the bandwidth. They've changed some of the user interface capabilities, and so it looks a little bit different than standard video with a Y looks. I've been in and out of the video business for over 20 years, so have seen it really evolve over that time. Currently, where I believe video is it's more of a customizable application now than it has ever been in the past, and that again is because it is readily available by everybody anywhere on whatever they happen to be using that day. So it just makes it a lot more accessible. So some of the markets where the vertical markets where video communications, visual communications, is really starting to take off, and video has taken our unfair advantage of that is healthcare. There are all kinds of healthcare applications that can be viewed on vidyo.com, vidyo.com, or our website. But telestroke, lots of healthcare professional patient type interactions. We've integrated with healthcare devices from Philips and Rubbermaid and AMD and HealthSpot. So Vidyo has really made that marketplace differentiate itself from everybody else out there. Also higher education, because of the reaching students and some students that can't always make it to class. Now you can include them in classes where they don't have to travel to get there. They can be in other countries for that matter. So lots of higher education applications, and then the more traditional enterprise spaces, legal, manufacturing, retail. We get involved in all of the entertainment. We get involved in all of those vertical markets, as well as more on the application side, though, where there's specific needs that video conferencing can enhance. Vidyo Kaltura relationship is pretty unique in that we're on parallel tracks. That companies both started around the same period of time, have really both have generated a lot of success in their respective markets. From a video perspective, we are not a media content management company. We have a device that allows users to record and stop recording a video conference at any point in time. However, there's not much that they can do with the recording after they do that. It's very, it's pretty standard recording capability, and we have a lot. So, and in line with our applications, we have a lot of customers who are looking for to be able to be more sophisticated in the use of their video libraries and their and these applications. So Vidyo needed to look for a partner that could help us do that, and we found the ideal partner in Kaltura because of their enhanced media content management capabilities. So now what we do with Kaltura, and Kaltura did the integration. They used video APIs to integrate Vidyo Replay, our recording device, with the Kaltura media space. And now when you record when you start a recording in Vidyo Replay, you can also start the recording in media space, and it'll send that information to media space as well. And once the recording is complete, you can delete the recording from Vidyo Replay because we have limited storage capability in Vidyo Replay. Keep it now have it in Kaltura media space and be able to manipulate that and edit that recording, edit out silence or mispronounced words, etc. So it's a good relationship.